Hello viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel BOOTABLE. In my previous video I guided you on how to how to create a bootable USB drive. In this right here, we made a bootable Windows 7 image right here. So we are going to install Windows 7 on this computer right here. So let me go ahead and plug in the flash drive and see the Windows. Right there, Windows 7 is installed. Right here, Windows 7 on the flash drive. So go ahead and power off your computer. Then plug in your USB drive in the USB port. Turn on your PC. So some computers, this one uses F9 as the boot menu. So let us restart it again. Right here, hold on. Right here you can see F10 is the boot menu. Yeah, F10. Then select USB, hit enter. As you can see, the flash drive is blinking, and we are getting ready to install Windows 7 right there. So you have to watch my first video on how to create a bootable USB drive. Then you can follow up this video on how to install Windows using a flash drive right here. Okay, still loading, about to finalize. To go to the setup menu, you should be patient. Right, starting Windows setup. Okay, we are getting started right now on how to install Windows using a flash drive right here. So go ahead and click next right here, install. So right here you have to choose your preferred operating system. This is 86, means 32 bits, and 64 bits. This is 32 bits. This is 64 bits right here. So I'm going to install Home Premium, my favorite. Then Home Premium 32 bits. Click next, agree. Click next, custom. Then this is my Windows installation location, Windows installation drive. Go ahead and format that. wait. Done. Click next. Windows will be installing shortly. So I'm to pause this video. We shall continue. So we are getting done shortly. Yeah, the Windows installation is getting done shortly. So this computer uses F10 as the boot menu, and we are using a flash drive to install Windows onto our PC. So this method is good for those who don't have the CD-ROM when it's not working. So this one is not working. So the flash disk will work out for you better. 99%. Yeah. So everything is getting done. Yeah. Setup is restarting. The Windows needs to restart. Continue. Okay. So you have to hold on. It uses F10 right there. So you have to let the Windows automatically to install the Windows using your flash drive. Let it to install automatically. Okay, installing Windows is quite easy, just like drinking water. Just follow these steps, then you get to install Windows on your own PC easily. Just a few steps. So please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and watch my first video on how to create a bootable USB drive to install Windows on using a flash disk right there. Watch my first video on how to do that, and this is the second step on how to install Windows using a flash disk right there. So I'm to let the Windows to install. I'll pause the video. So the setup is about to finalize right there. You have to wait a bit. Yeah, everything is done now. So wait for it to boot up again. Thank you for watching my video. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Okay then. Okay, right now the setup is done, and we are ready to boot the computer. And after installing Windows, you have to make sure you install drivers so that your computer runs properly, especially the graphics and audio, network stuff like that. So please stay tuned on that. Okay, Windows activated setup is preparing your computer for the first use. Okay, right here everything is done. Go ahead and type in your username and password if you want to. So I'm gonna type in Blatek. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, Blatek256. You can as well type in your password if you want to. Recommended. Next. So everything is done. We are done installing Windows. Thank you for working along with me in my guide on how to install Windows. So this is Home Premium that I installed on the computer. So thank you for the walkthrough with me, and hopefully the video worked for you on how to install Windows.